Ladies and gents, welcome up on top of Mystic. I just hiked up here with my little paraglider, and it's absolutely dead up here at the moment. There was a breeze coming from the back a minute ago, but it seems to be pretty much nothing. I mean, the wind streamers in front are vertical, but there is a slight suck from the back. I'm not sure exactly why that is. Yeah, I got rained on a bit on the way up here, but it's very, very still. It's just dead stable, I would call it at the moment. So as long as there's no heavy rain and as long as there's no high winds, I think it's perfectly safe to have a yippee jump down and justify my lockdown exercise and hiking up here. So here's my beautiful little wing. Nice committed takeoff. Little puff would be nice. Yeah, the vertical wind streamer and the stationary weather vane, the banes of the risk-averse pilot. Yeah.
You think that I don't feel love, but what I feel for you is real love. You think that I don't feel love, but what I feel for you is real love. You think that I don't feel love, but what I feel for you is real love. You think that I don't feel love, but what I feel for you is real love.
Call that rain? That's not rain. This is rain.
It's just starting to rain. Probably a good time. So get out of here. Yep, it's raining. Shitty. Shit weather.